check you out. Hi, look at this fit.
Can you sit on this?
Look at the fit.
Let me. Wait, do I want to sit?
Rosé mansion. Butterflies, my favorite. So we're in the chemistry lab. It's okay. It's a vlog. Scientists. And this is the process of fermentation. Mine is just a video.
Okay, I got it.
Cleopatra's room. And she had the best wine. That's why it's finished already.
Thank you for coming, Chin Chin, Chin Chin, Chin Chin. Thank you, Chin Chin, guys, Chin Chin, Chin Chin, Chin Chin.
Tell me what you think, tell me what you feel. There are no wrong answers.
Wait, you wanted to tell you?
Feel like in what way?
Whatever it is, whatever comes out of your mouth. I don't care if you hate it, I didn't make the wine, I'm not gonna be offended.
I don't like it.
Alright, so why? Why don't you like it?
It tastes like, I don't know,
What, bitter?
like bitter.
Or dry?
Corky. Reminds me of my first communion.
Yeah, like, it's
So
like
it's better because of the acid. Now let's have the gummies to compare. The whole point is just to familiarize your palate. Just to familiarize your palate with that kind of reaction
Give me that one.
towards acidity. The next time you do have a wine like this one, you're going to be able to tell that it does in fact have acid based on
That's
the
true.
intensity of whatever you're feeling.
I want this one.
Enjoy. The next one's also dry, so you may have a reaction to that one.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
I like it that one.
You don't like it?
No, I do. I like it.
Can you drink it while you...
You want it?
Just drink it. It gets even more,
Bitter?
Oh, you finished your gummy already.
Yeah, I finished it while this is. To me, it's, I don't like the smell more than I don't like the taste. Like, if it didn't smell the way that it did, make it the wine? Yeah.
I'm just holding everything to a high standard because that's
Because of that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one is good. Such a sweet one. It's like, that one is, I like sweet. Yeah. Not really. No? I'm okay. Okay. Ooh.
Hi. This is cute. This reminds me of Stormy's party. The butterflies and the clouds. Oh, I didn't even notice this on the floor. It's a boardwalk. Start over here. Start. How do you take your coffee? Come on.
How do you take your coffee?
Cream and sugar.
I don't really have cream and sugar.
You don't?
So I'll just do it. Yo, you're funny.
They're kind of itchy.
I always cut them out.
I'll lie. Sweet potato. Oh look, this is true.
I prefer
Yeah.
Do you need it? I think I'm somewhere in the middle here.
What, semi-sweet?
Yeah, because I like super. This one said I prefer semi-sweet. I don't know.
Oh, this is your crew right here?
Yeah.
This is your crew right here? ladies, which one do you prefer? Dry, semi-sweet, or dry? Semi-sweet or dry rosé?
Semi-sweet.
You prefer semi-sweet? All right, cool. So this is semi-sweet. The point of this room was to show you why you like the type of wine of rosé that you like. So this is 𝖾𝖆𝑉. This is from Macedonia. This is kind of like the one that you had in the New York room, but has a lot more flavor and it's also sweet.
Thank you. Wait, that one was sweet though, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's the one we had in the Egyptian one?
No.
No, it's not.
You want to finish this?
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, go ahead, finish it up.
You like it?
I wanted
You
the
got
sweet.
sweet? So this is Moscato. This is similar to ladies. I know it's easy to get lost in these big brown eyes, but I asked, do you want sweet? Do you want
No, you
semi-sweet?
poured
Do
too
you want
fast.
dry? That is not correct.
This one
I
is
literally
You
did.
said dry.
Lovely ladies.
twice.
Dry, semi-sweet, or dry? Semi-sweet or dry rosé? I literally said, do you want dry, semi-sweet, or do you want dry?
No, you said dry.
I have it on video actually. This is a cute one. We're about to get kicked out. This was the main room we missed. Oh yeah. Cake.
Also, I just ran out of napkins, but if you want to run back to the garden and grab one, they should have some more.
What's in your cup? What is that?
Good
Is
job,
it sweet?
This is a bubbly wine. This is a sparkling rosé, a little bit like prosecco, but prosecco is Italian, whereas this is Spanish. Cava means sparkling wine. It's got to come from Spain. There you go, friends. No problem, yo. Little sparkling rosé for you. A little bit of the
Bubbly.
Now they have
I wasn't expecting it to be that bubbly.
a little bit like prosecco.
Very bubbly.
It's very bubbly.
For real. I love how like the urge to like just get that perfect picture.
I know, right? It's so funny.
The ball pits. Look. Ask me who was about to bring her out of there. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Are they all the same?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Chinese food. You don't eat Chinese food?
Now, will you please tag me on Instagram?
Are we gonna? Can we get another? Should we sit at the top?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Let's give them levels.
Oh, there's the swing. I was looking for that. The swing. Guys, let's get pics on this. It's right there.
Where?
Over there. Oh, my bad. Alright, card reading. This is aesthetic, room aesthetic. Like boho, you know, crystals, you know, cultured, vintage, and foliage.
All right, everybody, tell me a favorite memory that
Right, we waited. Go ahead. Okay, let me start.
Look, this is the friend that lived a dangerous life for. This is the academic friend.
She lived a dangerous life.
This is
You heard?
I know.
okay, on the food is here. What's that?